Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan and cruelty-free beauty brands. If you're passionate about ethical beauty, this video is for you. We'll be discussing brands that are not only good for your skin, but also good for the planet and our furry friends. Remember, you don't have to compromise on quality or effectiveness when choosing ethical beauty products. Let's get started. First up, we have Pacifica. This brand holds a special place in my heart for its dedication to creating high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty products. Pacifica is all about using natural ingredients and sustainable practices, which is a huge win-win in my book. One of the things I love most about Pacifica is their commitment to transparency. They clearly label all of their products as vegan and cruelty-free, and they also provide detailed information about their ingredients and sourcing practices. Now, let's talk about some of their products. Their coconut power body butter is a dream, especially during the drier months. It's incredibly hydrating and leaves your skin feeling soft and smelling like a tropical vacation. Another favorite is their vegan collagen serum. It's formulated with plant-derived collagen boosters that help to plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Overall, Pacifica is a brand that I wholeheartedly recommend to anyone looking for ethical and effective beauty products. They truly care about their impact on the planet and animal welfare, and it shows in the quality of their products. Next up, we have a brand that needs no introduction, ELF Cosmetics. They're known for their incredibly affordable prices, but did you know that they're also fully vegan and cruelty-free? ELF has a massive range of products, from makeup brushes to skincare to, of course, their iconic makeup products. One of their best sellers, and for good reason, is their Putty Primer. It creates a smooth canvas for makeup application and helps your makeup last all day long. Another cult favorite is their Poreless Putty Bronzer. It's super blendable, gives you a natural-looking tan, and doesn't clog pores. And if you're looking for a great everyday eyeshadow palette, look no further than their bite-size eyeshadow palettes. They come in a variety of color stories, from neutral to bold, and they're so pigmented and easy to blend. I love that ELF makes ethical beauty accessible to everyone. They prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to find high-quality products that align with your values. Let's move on to another brand that's been a pioneer in ethical beauty, The Body Shop. They've been fighting for animal rights and environmental protection since their inception, and they continue to be a leading voice in the industry. One of the things that sets The Body Shop apart is their commitment to using fair trade ingredients. They work directly with farmers and suppliers around the world to ensure that they're paid a fair wage and that their communities benefit from the trade. Now let's talk about some of their products. Their tea tree oil line is a godsend for anyone with acne-prone skin. The tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that helps to reduce inflammation and redness. The Body Shop is also certified by Cruelty-Free International, which means that none of their products or ingredients have been tested on animals. If you're looking for a brand that aligns with your values and offers high-quality products, The Body Shop is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have a brand that's known for its fun, colorful, and fragrant products, Lush. Lush is all about fresh, handmade cosmetics that are good for you and the planet. They're committed to using ethical ingredients, minimizing waste, and fighting animal testing. One of the things that makes Lush so unique is their commitment to using fresh ingredients. Many of their products are made with fruits, vegetables, and essential oils that are sourced directly from ethical producers. And let's talk about their iconic bath bombs. They're like little works of art that transform your bath into a luxurious spa experience. From soothing lavender to invigorating citrus, there's a bath bomb for every mood. Their shampoo bars are another favorite of mine. They last forever, they're great for traveling, and they come in a variety of formulations for different hair types. Plus, they're completely plastic-free, which is a huge plus for the environment. Last but not least, we have Aveda, a brand that's synonymous with high-performance, plant-based hair and skincare. Aveda is all about using the power of nature to create products that are good for you and the planet. They're committed to using naturally derived ingredients, sustainable packaging, and responsible manufacturing practices. One of the things that sets Aveda apart is their focus on aromatherapy. Many of their products are infused with essential oils that not only smell amazing, but also have therapeutic benefits. Their hair care products are top-notch. Their InBody Advanced system is a game-changer for anyone experiencing hair thinning. It's formulated with a blend of Ayurvedic herbs that help to thicken hair and reduce hair loss. And if you're looking for a deep conditioning treatment, their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair is a must-have. Aveda is also a leader in sustainability. They were the first beauty company to manufacture with 100% wind power in their primary facility, and they're constantly working to reduce their environmental footprint. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on ethical beauty. I hope this video inspired you to explore the world of vegan and cruelty-free beauty brands. Remember, every purchase is a vote for the kind of world you want to see, so choose wisely and choose kindly. There are so many amazing brands out there that are creating high-quality products while also being mindful of their impact on the planet and animals. See you next time.